Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix please check your connection and try again. For example, if I click on login, I want to log into my account. Then after a few minutes of logging in, this kind of error occurs, as you can see. Now I will tell you without wasting any time how you can fix this error. First of all, what you have to do is you have to close down the Snapchat, and after that what you have to do is you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to check whether your Wi-Fi is turned on or not, or if you are connected to mobile data connection, make sure that it is working properly or not. After checking that, what you have to do is you have to open settings of your device. After that, what you have to do is you have to open apps or application manager. In apps or application manager, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to search for Snapchat. As you can see, if you find Snapchat, what you have to do is you have to click on mobile data and you have to check whether background data usage is allowed or not. If it is turned off, then you have to turn on this again. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on storage and you have to click on clear cache, which means you have to clear the cache of your Snapchat. After doing so, you can check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also click on force stop, and this will work for many devices. After doing so, you can again click on Snapchat login and you can again click on login, and this error will be fixed for you as soon as possible. You click on logging in. As you can see, this error has been fixed. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.